Welcome to SD35 CareerEd's How to Change a New Employer Submission. So if you sent us a submission of a new employer on the myWEX system and you need to make a change, this is how you're going to do it. So first off, let's check the status of it. We can go to the employer workflow here or up here. Both takes you to the same place. And we can see what the status is of our employers. Submitted means we've just recently sent it, and the CareerEd staff at the SBO has not had a chance to review it. We've got approved, visible by all, and placements are permitted. So this is an active employer that you can go ahead and make placements at. We also have declined status, which means that for a number of reasons, an employer has not been added to the database, and we would reach out directly to whoever sent it in to us and let them know what needs to change, or perhaps that this employer is just not suitable to be working with our students. If you see this like that in the status, you won't actually be able to edit anything, but you still will be able to read all of the different fields and access all of the information. As you can see here, it says it's been submitted and no longer editable. If you do want to edit it because there's a problem or something has been updated, please reach out to the department by our email, careered@sd35.bc.ca, and what we can do is give you access. So I'll show you what that would look like. So back in the employer workflow, again, the status is submitted under review. You send us the email, we give you access, and you will now see this when you search for your employer. As you can see, now the status has changed from under review to new, visible, and editable by creator, and we are the creator, but no placements are permitted. So we can go back into the details. We can change anything we need to do in any of the fields, including the activities, including uploading additional documents, constraints, or anything else that's changed contact information from before. So maybe it's Peter Pant is his actual last name. Sorry about misspelling that. Now, update it. All right. Get back into there. And we can submit the to district for approval. So yeah, we will no longer be able to edit it unless we request permission again. Now you can see that is back to the submitted under review. We will get a notification to review this employer, and within a few days it can be either declined or it can be approved based on the new information that we have. Thanks for watching our video. Hopefully you learned how to change a new employer submission. Don't forget to follow us at SD35 CareerEd.